Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to make a car on Blender. So let's start. We don't need light and camera, so we'll delete them. Select cube. It should be 5 into 2 into 0.75. Now go to edit mode, press Ctrl R, left click and adjust this ring. Again press Ctrl R and again left click and adjust this ring. Select this face view, select this face. Now press E to extrude. Now press S. Again go to object mode. Now we'll make its tires. For tire, go on mesh cylinder 0.75. Now rotate it at 90 degree. Now move it. Now go on this edit references. In add-ons you have to search bool. This bool tool will come. I have already selected it. You have to select it, press cross. Now this will come. Go on edit, bool tool, press shift and select this car and difference. Now go on this modifier, we'll go mirror, press Y. This 4 same holes have came. Now again press shift A. In mesh you have to again choose cylinder. It should be 0.75 into 0.75 into 0.75. Rotate it at 90 degree. Now move it. Now we again have to go to edit mode. We will select this face, press I. This should be like this. Press E, make it a bit inside. Again I, make it like this, and again E. Again go to object mode. Select your tire. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V again. Again press Ctrl C and V. Rotate it at 180 degree. Again press Ctrl C and V. Go here. So this is our tires. Now we are going to make its bumper. Press shift A. In mesh you have to choose cube. It should be 1.5. It should be 1 only, and 0.75. And make it here. Go to edit mode. Select this vertex one. Go to move. Select this vertex and make it a bit up. Again go to object mode and move it here. I moved it. This is my bumper. Now we'll make its grills. For grills also we have to choose cube only. For grills it should be 0.1 0.1 0.75. Now again go to this add modifier. Now we will choose array, make count 7 and factor x should be 1.2. Now rotate this at 90 degree. Now place it properly. Now make this a bit in. Now we will make its headlights. For headlights, again press Shift A, we will choose cube, and headlights dimensions are 0.2, 0.4 and 0.2. These are our headlights. Move it here. Press Ctrl C and V. Again press Ctrl C and V. Select this one and again press Ctrl C and V. Now for this also press Ctrl C and V and move it backwards, because same dimensions are for tail light also. In CV only. So this is our car. Now we are going to color it. Select your car, press Z, material preview. Now go on this material properties, add new, select your body. It should be, I'm making it blue, you can make it of any color. Tires should be black. I'm making this grill red. And this bumper, I'm making bumper also black. For this tail light, the surface should be emission. For this also emission. And this will make it with normal one only. I'm making it yellow. You can see which I have made yellow, it's a bit shining than this one. Now this also emission. Now base color I am making yellow. Now I want to make this windows black. For this we will select our body, go to edit mode. Now select this face review and select this one, press shift and select this also, this also, this also. Now we will add here, add new. Now for this we will make it diffuse BSDF. The colors I am making it black and here so for this add again, add new, diffuse BSDF in black and we will press assign. So this is our black color. I think you liked my car. Bye. Now we'll meet in next video. Bye.